How to access invite-only scripts on TradingView. Hey guys, this is Lucy back with another video, and today I am going to show you where the private scripts are in TradingView. So for this, you need to open TradingView in your PC. It can be your software or it can be your website, it doesn't really matter. So first you need to click on indicators. The indicators option is located in the top area of the page. After you click on indicators, a dialog box appears, and here are few options in the left side of the box. Okay, as you can see, there are personal, technicals, and financials, and community. You need to click on the community one. After you click on community, several scripts are shown in your screen. These are all the public scripts, but if you want to access invite only scripts, they are shown below the community option. Right now I don't have any access to invite only scripts, so it's not shown here, but if you are access to any invite only scripts, it will show there. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorial videos like this. Meet you guys in the next video.